In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make new lists in Freshsales. Creating a new list in Freshsales is a great way to organize your leads or contacts into a saved view, so you can come back to the same filtered results anytime without rebuilding the search. This is especially helpful if you regularly work a specific segment, like people in a certain role, industry, or region. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales. Decide where you want your list to live, then click either Leads or Contacts. Choose Leads if you are managing potential customers who are not fully qualified yet, and choose Contacts if these are already established people in your database. Once you are on the page, you should see your records displayed in a list format. Next, go to the top area of the page and click the filter icon. It looks like a funnel. This opens the filter bar, where you can define exactly which records should appear in your list. Now click Add Filter. You will be able to choose the criteria that matches what you need. For example, you might set a filter where the job field equals CDO. You can use whatever criteria fits your workflow, but try to be specific so your list stays clean and useful. After you select your criteria, click Apply. Once applied, you will see the list update immediately, showing only the records that match your filters. Take a moment to scan the results and confirm they look correct, because this filtered view is what you are about to save. When you are satisfied, look at the bottom of the filter bar and click Save View As. This option appears after you apply at least one filter. Saving the view turns your current filtered results into a reusable list. A window will prompt you to name your list. Enter a clear, descriptive name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple lists. Then choose the visibility. Select Just Me if the list is only for your personal workflow, or choose Everyone if you want your team to access and use the same saved view. Finally, click Save. From this point on, your new list will be available as a saved view, so you can quickly return to it whenever you need. And that is all there is to it.